Sometimes the road is heavy, sometimes the cross is full, sometimes our lives are empty, sometimes the dream is dull. That's when I call on you, that's when I call out your name, that's when you'll catch my fall again and again. When I come knocking at your door to shatter down the walls, break through to your heart and invite you to start living out your life the way you want it to be, living out your dreams like a symphony. Don't let your life slip away, 'cause we traveled too far to stop believing in yourselves and the visions of your heart. 'Cause we're all in this together. We gotta stand up and be strong. We gotta hold on to one another, because this life isn't long. No, this life isn't long. You are the writer and the preacher, the producer and the director. You are the star